Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AWE touring exhaust and the track conversion for the touring exhaust as well. So if you have an STI or a WRX or a Type R, you know that sometimes you buy an exhaust and it can add some rasp and it doesn't really sound good. You know, you'll hit a higher RPM and you just hear that like raspiness and it doesn't usually sound good. This thing, rasp free. They did a really good job. I don't know what magic they put inside of this muffler and the resonator, but this thing sounds incredible and there's no rasp to be had at all. You get this thing out of the box, you're gonna have three main pieces. You're gonna have basically your mid pipe that's gonna connect to your downpipe. If you do have the stock downpipe, you will need the Grimspeed adapter for the downpipe. However, your resonator is gonna be in there. And then you're gonna also have a Y pipe that's gonna connect to this mid pipe and go back to both of the mufflers. And then of course we have this giant AWE muffler here. So while this thing may not win the prettiest looking exhaust contest, because you know the welds and stuff aren't quite as pretty as some of the other ones, I'll tell you what, they offer a lifetime guarantee with this exhaust. So they guarantee you the thing's gonna hold up, and trust me, it will. This is a heavier exhaust, which isn't very surprising because you know you got these big mufflers and the resonator, but I really don't think that's any issue because the thing sounds so good. You can't argue with it. It has a complete unique sound that I haven't heard on any of the other exhausts in the market. You're not gonna even see any of this, right? This is all under the car. The part that you're gonna see isn't actually attached. So you're gonna see that the muffler just has obviously this Y pipe basically branching out of it, but there is no muffler tips. They're gonna come in a separate package. You're gonna find these clamps in there as well, which also makes this a nice, easy install because it's all slide-on pieces. Slides on, you put the clamp on. No 2-bolt clamps, we're done with that. You got this. This thing is a full 3-inch exhaust the whole way through. You get this box and you open it up and like they literally foam lined it. You're gonna get some instructions, you're gonna get a sticker. They even put a freaking lollipop in here for you, so that's cool. But these tips just look awesome. So these are a 4-inch tip double wall slash cut. So you got that nice angle cut on it. And these are just gonna literally slide over the muffler tips and you're gonna put your hardware through here, which is also included right there. You're gonna put your hardware through, tighten it down, and you're good to go. And it's really gonna fill out the gap. So unlike your WRX or STI, it's gonna fill out that cutout in the bumper really well. One nice thing about this is one of the easiest things to change out on this car is the mufflers. And especially on this one because you're not having that 2-bolt, you know, connection. You just have the slide-on version. It's gonna make this even easier. What AWE did was they gave you an option, right? Most people, you buy an exhaust and you're not, you know, like one day you're like, I'm not crazy, it's too quiet for me, I want it louder. Well, you gotta buy another exhaust. AWE found a solution for that because they sell a conversion to basically take your touring edition to a track edition. So I'm gonna pull this thing out, open it up so you can see basically what comes in there. Got this out of the package. You can see, just eliminates the muffler, makes it a straight through pipe. But you saw the resonator, so it's still gonna be way less rasp than you would experience with most other exhausts. You got this beautiful AWE stamp on it, tracked edition. It's got a serial number on it and everything. So that's pretty cool. And of course, since you didn't get the tips with this conversion kit like you did with these, they still had to hook you up with that lollipop.
I'm stashing these under my mattress.
Again, you get a sticker, some instructions, but that's basically it. So essentially they're just muffler deletes for the kit, but it saves you from buying a whole nother exhaust if you decide that this is too quiet or you want to switch it up for a little while, or it's track day and you want to really open that thing up. So that's a good option. I'm glad they thought of that. They also have a direct bolt-on guarantee. So if you buy this thing and for some reason it doesn't fit right, you can send it back a replacement. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today. Actually, I forgot something. Anyways guys, we'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, message our sales team, they'll get you set up. Thanks for watching.